Oh, hi. I didn't see you there. Hi. We're at it again. I don't know when the last time was that I did one of these things, but Japan loves making expensive pizza, which I have to go pay for content today, thanks to Jose. Jose's over there. Hi.
Yo.
This guy messaged me on Instagram, and I was like, okay, what monstrosity exists now? And what was it? What are we looking at today? A ramen pizza?
Yeah, the ramen pizza.
Okay, Joey, you like ramen.
Yeah.
And you like pizza.
Yeah.
Do you like the concept of ramen pizza?
No.
Great. Okay, let's do this then. Okay, so here's it's on, and this time it's not Japan Domino's, it's Japan Pizza Hut, which I actually have not had any of theirs here, so I'm gonna give it a shot. But literally on the homepage they have it right there.
Oh, it's a collab with Tenka Ippin, which is like a really famous
ramen chain, right? Yeah, and it looks like they literally just dumped the noodles onto the pizza.
As if pizza didn't already have
enough carbs. Yeah, you thought the exact same thing. It's literally carbs on top of carbs. So that's why I'm actually not only having Joey and Jose here, but there's like a couple of friends that are going to come over that love pizza that are going to help me with this, because I don't want to eat a lot of this, if at all, and I'm going to have some real food after. But let's just go get this. I mean, that looks delicious on the photo, so maybe it'll be good in real life. I don't know, but I don't know. How do you think this is gonna taste?
It might taste alright, actually.
You think?
It looks a lot better than I thought.
Anything that Domino's made?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, well, let's look down here. So we've got the ramen and we got the pizza ramen, and it says here, rich style ramen pizza, authentic ramen, special rich sauce, chopped green onions, special chashu, mozzarella cheese, and Gouda cheese.
That actually sounds alright.
And for an M size, get this, almost 2,000 yen. Oh, is this the broth?
Yeah.
Wow. Oh, well, this guy looks happy. And at least the pizza size isn't going to be like that big. Oh, for 2,000 yen, how much is that? Like $15?
Yeah, about.
It's still kind of expensive for a pizza that's like that size. Like, you see that? It's like a little bigger than my hand. Medium size. I don't think we're going to need a lot. Let me just blur this out. Do something to distract them while I put this on here. You just speak Spanish. We're gonna get like some more normal stuff too. Asparagus bacon, cream cheese bacon.
Yeah. No, I don't go.
Mentaiko mayo, tubu honey trout sausage.
No, just give me a pepperoni. It's fine. I don't. We're already experimenting with the fucking ramen pizza. Just give me.
You don't feel a little bit adventurous today?
No, just give me a classic.
Hawaiian. Yes or no?
Nope.
Yeah? Okay. What about you?
Absolutely yes. What the hell's wrong with you?
Okay, I don't want to be the guy that pineapple on pizza, but
Oh my god, we have a child in the room. We have 2 children in the room.
I said nothing!
Do you like it? That's what I fucking thought.
I didn't say anything!
I mean, I think we have enough. It's 7,300 yen.
Oh, now this is where my pocket starts to hurt.
It's a pizza party!
It's a pizza.
Pizza, pasta, put it in your mouth. Something.
I just want to come. What? Well, let's start off with the best first, okay? Whoa.
That's the garlic meat, I think, and then this is just like a regular ass pepperoni.
What matters is this one, the ramen pizza. Here's a little broth on top. They're special here at Japan Pizza Hut. Da 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 da. Oh.
Millions of college students in America alone suffer from lazy cooking, eating pizza every night and ramen every morning. And that's why Pizza Hut Japan is there for you with their new ramen pizza. Packed with extra sodium, extra carbs, and extra diabetes. You're fat. Admit it. Thanos needs to snap twice to get rid of you. Oh, did that offend you? Which of your chins did I hurt? Shut up and eat this ramen pizza.
Oh.
It actually smells alright.
You know what?
It smells like ramen.
I hate to say this. This might be the first time where I'm like, that oddly looks pretty good. I don't know how many people are gonna agree with me, though. I mean, this looks like a really happy accident, doesn't it? It's like you literally...
It certainly looks like an accident.
I bet like the idea for this happened when like there was like some employee off to the side that had like their lunch break and they were actually having like noodles, and then when they had to go back to work they just tripped over and then all the noodles fell into the pizza. Somebody just comes in and just takes a bite. They're like, that's a genius idea. It's a beautiful little accident. Okay, I wouldn't call it beautiful. I'm not gonna go that far, but like I don't know how every Italian feels right now looking at this, but I think all of these videos have just progressively made them cry even more.
Offend Italia and China speedrun.
Yeah. Ooh, I guess this is just like the traditional ramen broth. It's not bad. I'm gonna grab the slice that has like the most noodles. Dude. It's literally just ramen on pizza. Joey, do you want to try a slice with me?
That ain't bad.
Yeah.
I mean, it's a fuckload of carbs, but
That's really good.
it's actually pretty good.
I don't know how many people believe me. I really like this actually. It's a
You know
lot.
what's my one complaint?
What?
The crust is kind of whack.
Oh, you don't like the crispy one? I like the crispy one, so I don't have an issue with it. Maybe 6 out of 10.
I mean, I finished it.
It's literally exactly like what ramen would taste like if you just dumped it on pizza. Go to your pantry, get cup noodles, dump it on your pizza, and I guarantee you it'll be the same thing. Edo here is gonna try it.
Looks really good.
Have you eaten anything today?
No.
Okay.
This is my first meal of the day.
Yeah, I only had a salad.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's good.
It tastes more like ramen than pizza.
Yes,
Yeah.
I agree.
It's
Yeah.
not amazing, but it is edible.
Yeah.
Try it
Can I
out.
put the salsa with it?
No, well,
Not
just do
yet.
that after. You have to
Try it raw. Try it raw.
try it raw. Now, Jose is from Hokkaido, which is known for ramen.
Mmm.
Wow, just from it like hitting your taste buds.
Mmm. It actually does kind of taste like ramen.
Yeah.
More than pizza. Can I eat that with sauce now?
Okay, fine.
Yeah, I want some sauce to it.
But the ramen pizza, not a bad concept. I actually like this one. It gets the seal of approval. Appreciate you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!